Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make these beautiful chocolate pineapple rings. These are the ingredients we'll be using today, and we're going to start off by drying our pineapple slices. Make sure to pat them dry very well. These donut molds are perfect for the pineapple rings, and they are a perfect fit. We want to make sure to cover the sides of the mold very well so they're not fragile when we take them out. Tap your mold to remove any air bubbles and make sure to give it a second coat once that chocolate hardens for that perfect coverage. Okay, so now that our chocolate has set, we're gonna add our pineapple rings. And now we're gonna cover with some more chocolate. Let them sit in the fridge for at least 5 minutes to avoid any fingerprints on your chocolate. I had walked away from my pineapple rings for a little bit and my chocolate had begun to harden, so I just used a butter knife to smooth out the top. But as you guys can see right here, the chocolate is still wet, and just by tapping the top it smooths out itself. After the 5 minutes in the fridge, they're ready to unmold, and make sure to clean off the edges with either a knife or your hand for that perfect clean look. Now we're ready for the details. Right here I'm just adding chocolate to a Ziploc bag because we're going to be adding some drizzle. Right here I'm not going fast with my drizzle, I'm trying to make it very clean. So I'm going really slow and steady, and then after that we're going to be adding our glitter while that chocolate is still wet. We have to work pretty fast because the drizzle is pretty thin, so it sets faster. So just add your glitter and don't touch it. I like using paper towels to transfer the chocolate back into its container so nothing gets wasted. This is how slow I was adding the drizzles, and as you guys can see, even then it's not perfect, but it is a much cleaner look. After that chocolate has set, then we can remove the extra glitter with a brush. This is how our pineapple rings came out. They're so beautiful and elegant and perfect for any birthday party or special occasions, and this is how I packaged them. Very classy, very beautiful. And I made this cake along with the pineapple ring, so it was a perfect combination. I hope you guys like this video and give me a thumbs up if you guys want to see more.